Hey woodworkers, welcome back to Tools Informer. Today, I'm breaking down 20 smart woodworking tools that I believe truly deserve your attention. These aren't random gadgets. They're thoughtfully designed tools built to help you work cleaner, faster, and more precisely. I've carefully researched each one to see what actually makes sense for a real workshop, whether you're a weekend DIYer or someone building projects every week. Let's jump right in. 1 Ratchet 21/4 Forstner Bit. If you drill clean, flat bottom holes, you already know how important a good Forstner bit is. The Ratchet 21/4-inch Forstner bit stands out because it's built from ASTM 5140 hardened steel. That means strong durability and long-lasting sharpness. The ultra-sharp serrated edge design helps reduce tear out, especially when working with plywood, MDF, or solid hardwood. It uses a hex shank, which helps prevent slipping, something I always look for when drilling larger diameter holes. Now, this is a large bit, so it performs best on a drill press or a high-powered drill with solid clamping. If you're installing door hinges, cutting pocket holes, or drilling wide flat bottom holes, this is a serious upgrade from cheaper bits. 2 Large Forstner Bit Set 6 PCS. If you want versatility instead of just one size, the Large Size Forstner Bit Set might make more sense. This set includes 6 large carbide tipped bits ranging from 1/4 inch all the way up to 4 inches. Carbide tips generally hold their edge longer, especially when cutting hardwoods. That's a big plus for repeated shop use. The bits are designed for smooth, flat bottom holes with minimal wobble, and they come in a storage case, which honestly helps keep larger bits organized. For cabinet makers, hinge installers, or anyone cutting wide recesses, having multiple sizes ready can save a lot of setup time. 3 WorkPro 6-piece pliers and adjustable wrench set. Not every woodworking task is about cutting wood. Sometimes you just need solid hand tools. The WorkPro 6-piece pliers and adjustable wrench set gives you the essentials: slip joint, groove joint, linesman pliers, long nose, diagonal cutters, and an adjustable wrench. They're drop forged and heat-treated carbon steel, which means solid durability for home and DIY work. The double-dipped handles provide decent grip and comfort. Now, this isn't heavy-duty professional shop-grade equipment, but for workshop adjustments, hardware installs, or general repairs, it covers a lot of ground in one affordable bundle. 4 Contour Gauge with Lock. If you've ever tried copying an irregular shape onto wood, you know how frustrating that can be. The Saker Contour Gauge with Lock is designed to duplicate complex profiles, pipes, molding, trim, stair edges, and more. The locking feature is what really matters here. Once you capture the shape, you lock it in place so it doesn't shift while transferring the outline. Made from durable ABS plastic, it's lightweight but strong. For flooring, trim installation, or any detailed fitting work, this tool can seriously reduce guesswork and wasted cuts. 5 Artimaster 3D Multi-Angle Measuring Square. Precision layout tools are everything in woodworking. The Artimaster 3D Multi-Angle Measuring Square combines a rafter square, triangle ruler, and marking tool in one compact aluminum design. It allows you to measure length, width, height, and 0 to 90 degrees angles without constantly rotating your tool. Laser-engraved markings help keep measurements readable over time, and it even includes a carpenter pencil with refills. If you want cleaner layout lines and consistent angle markings, this type of multifunctional square can streamline your workflow. 6 RAK Magnetic Wristband Tool Holder. This one isn't flashy, but it's incredibly practical. The RAK Magnetic Wristband Tool Holder is embedded with 10 strong magnets that hold screws, nails, drill bits, and small hardware right on your wrist. Instead of constantly reaching into your pocket or climbing down a ladder, you keep everything within reach. It's made from durable ballistic nylon and designed to be adjustable and breathable for installations, cabinetry, or overhead work. Small convenience upgrades like this can actually save time and frustration. 7 Zool heavy-duty rotary leather hole punch. Even in woodworking, there are times when you're working with leather straps, tool belts, or shop accessories. The Zool heavy-duty rotary leather hole punch is built from plated alloy steel with a rotating head that offers 6 hole sizes from 2 mm to 4.5 mm. That flexibility alone makes it practical for belts, straps, canvas, and even thin plastics. What stands out is the double lever mechanism. It reduces the force needed to punch clean holes, which matters if you're doing repetitive work. The spring tension system also helps minimize hand fatigue. If you customize tool belts, shop aprons, or leather fixtures, this is a reliable addition. 8 Goldblit Trim Puller and Tile Removal Tool. Removing trim without destroying the wall behind it is always tricky. The Goldblit Trim Puller is designed with a wide, flat contact area and a wedge center. That design spreads pressure evenly, helping prevent dents in drywall or cracking trim pieces. It's built from carbon steel and 65mm steel, giving it strength for repeated prying. The ergonomic handle adds control when applying force. For remodelers, cabinet installers, or anyone doing renovation work, this tool can make trim removal cleaner and more controlled compared to traditional pry bars. 9 Saker Woodworking Scriber Marking Tool. Precise marking can make or break a project. The Saker Woodworking Scriber Marking Tool combines a ruler and adjustable angle protractor in one aluminum alloy body. It measures up to 18 inches and allows multi-angle scribing by loosening and tightening a simple adjustment nut. Laser-engraved scales improve readability and long-term durability. It also includes a mechanical pencil with refills for bevel setups, angle transfers, radial lines, or detailed layout work. Having an adjustable marking system like this can eliminate a lot of measuring guesswork. 10 Tool 8 in 1 multi-blade hand saw. If you want versatility in one compact hand tool, this one is interesting. The Tool 8 in 1 multi-blade hand saw comes with 8 interchangeable high-speed steel blades. It supports both large and small blades through a lockback clamping mechanism. That means you can switch between drywall, plywood, plastic, PVC, and even light metal cutting without carrying multiple saws. It's manual, compact, and space-saving, ideal for quick cuts, small shop jobs, or on-the-go projects. 11 Decorative Wood Grain Painting Tool Set. Now, this one is more on the creative finishing side. The Decorative Wood Grain Painting Tool Set includes 4 different rubber graining rollers designed to create realistic wood textures on walls, furniture, or decorative panels. Instead of complex hand painting techniques, you roll the tool over wet glaze to create consistent grain patterns. The rubber material helps maintain durability and flexibility. For DIY furniture restorers or decorative wood-style finishes, this tool simplifies what would otherwise require advanced painting skills. 12 Kata 6 PCS Hole Saw Kit. For drilling larger circular holes in soft materials, the Kata 6 PCS Hole Saw Kit is designed as a budget-friendly option. It includes common sizes from 1/1/4 up to 2/1/8, plus a mandrel and hex key. Made from heat-treated carbon steel with a black coating, it focuses on durability and rust resistance. It works best on soft wood, thin PVC boards, and plywood, but not hardwood or metal. That's important to understand before buying. For DIY installations like cable routing, pipe openings, or light fixture cutouts, this kit covers common needs. 13 Qming 80WL CD Digital Soldering Iron Kit. Woodworking today often overlaps with electronics, especially for LED lighting, custom furniture wiring, or repairs. The Qming 80WL CD Digital Soldering Iron Kit heats up quickly thanks to its ceramic heater and 80W power rating. It offers adjustable temperature control from 180 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, displayed clearly on an LCD screen. The ventilation design improves heat dissipation, and the kit includes multiple tips: solder wire, sponge, stand, and flux paste. For beginners or hobbyists adding electronic components to projects, this is a practical entry-level soldering setup. 14 Goldtech Hotfix Rhinestone Applicator Kit. Now, this one leans more into decorative customization, but hear me out. The Goldtech Hotfix Rhinestone Applicator Kit is designed for applying hotfix rhinestones to materials like leather, denim, fabric, paper, and more. It heats up quickly and melts the adhesive backing so stones bond firmly to the surface. It includes multiple tip sizes, templates, gloves, tweezers, and thousands of rhinestones. If you customize tool bags, aprons, branded shop gear, or even craft-based woodworking pieces, this tool expands creative options beyond just raw wood. 15. The Beadsmith One-Step Jewelry Looping Tool. Precision matters in small craft builds. The Beadsmith One-Step Looper creates consistent 3mm loops in 24 18-gauge craft wire and trims the wire in the same motion. That one-step mechanism saves time and improves consistency. It's spring-loaded for comfort and reduces hand fatigue during repetitive work. For woodworkers incorporating metal details, decorative hardware, or custom wire components into projects, this tool brings efficiency to small-scale detail work. 16 Rotary 2-4-in-1 Magnetic Ratchet Screwdriver Set. A compact precision screwdriver set is something I think every workshop should have. The Rotary 2-4-in-1 Magnetic Ratchet Screwdriver Set includes Phillips, flathead, Torx, hex, and other precision bits. The ratchet mechanism speeds up repetitive fastening, and the magnetic tips help hold screws in place. It comes in a portable storage case, making it easy to keep organized. For assembling hardware, installing hinges, adjusting jigs, or handling electronics, this kind of multi-bit system saves time and space. 17 Wickek 90-degree right angle corner clamp set. 4 PCS. Clean 90-degree joints are critical in woodworking. The Wickek 90-degree corner clamp set includes 4 aluminum alloy clamps designed to hold boards securely at right angles. The adjustable swing jaw accommodates different thicknesses up to about 2.75 inches. The rotating single handle mechanism allows you to fine-tune pressure easily. For cabinet building, frame assembly, box construction, or welding setups, corner clamps like these help maintain alignment during glue-ups and fastening. 18 Cartman 39-piece household tool set. Sometimes you just need a well-rounded backup kit. The Cartman 39-piece household tool set includes essential hand tools like a hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, and a tape measure, all organized in a compact case. It's heat-treated and chrome-plated for corrosion resistance. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for quick fixes around the workshop or home. While not professional-grade heavy-duty equipment, it's practical for beginners, apartment setups, or secondary tool storage. 19 Hartle Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. Compact power tools can be incredibly useful for detail work. The Hartle Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit offers 5 speed settings ranging from 5,000 to 18,000 RPM. It comes with 69 accessories for sanding, polishing, engraving, drilling, and light cutting. It's rechargeable via USB and features a lightweight pen-style grip, which helps with control. There's even an LED light to reduce shadowing during fine work. For engraving wood, cleaning edges, polishing hardware, or small craft builds, this is a versatile addition. Just keep in mind, it's not meant for heavy-duty cutting. 20 Desktop Leather Belt Hole Punch Tool. Finally, we have a desktop-style upgrade over traditional handheld punches. The PRO Master Desktop Leather Belt Hole Punch Tool uses a tabletop design that allows you to operate it with one hand while stabilizing your material with the other. It rotates between 6 punch sizes and features heavy-duty carbon steel construction with hardened punch heads for durability. For belts, straps, leather shop gear, or craft projects, the desktop format reduces strain and improves precision compared to standard rotary punches. So those are 20 smart woodworking and workshop tools worth considering. Some focus on precision, some improve efficiency, others expand creative capability. The real question isn't whether you need all of them, it's which ones solve real problems in your workflow. If this breakdown helped you make a clearer buying decision, let me know which tool caught your attention the most. And if you want more honest, research-based tool reviews like this, make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next one.